So hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve a problem of the day on LeetCode, which is LeetCode 1865, finding pair with a certain sum. It is kind of related to the two sum problem, LeetCode 001. Hopefully you will solve that problem. If you don't, I'll make one video on that question too. So first, let's go through the solution. First, understand the question. So we have given two integer array num1 and num2. You are tasked to implement a data structure that supports two queries. Add a positive integer to an element of a given index in the array num2. As you can see, the part of the two sum will be here. Then next is count the number of pairs such that num_i plus num2j equals a given value. Like given value as we given like here, as you can see in example 1, we have two array, this and this. We have that given value, right? We want this as a sum, uh, from this and this, one element of the array 1 and second element of the array 2, which sum equals to this. After that we will change the third element by adding 2, as mentioned in the question, as mentioned in the this part. Okay, so we add 3 2, like this represents third element of the array, and it will be add 2 with the element, sum 2 with that element present at the third index. Okay, so let's go through the solution. Hopefully you will understand how to solve this question. So first, let's just publicly declare some things. First we declare a vector vector which is named obviously array arr1 comma arr2. Then we just declare a unordered map. You will understand just few minutes after why I declared a vector. Okay. I use unordered map to save the elements of the second array, so that it can easily be identify which element from the first array should sum with the second array, so that we will get the sum given to us in that question. Okay, so let's just declare a unordered map. And is what we will do in that array, we will store the frequency, how much time a single integer or any integer occur in the element. Just name it a frequency. So yeah, we declare this globally, then we will back to our question. So first we will do, what will the array1 is equals to num1. Why I do this? Because I just declare an array1 globally, but num1 is within the function, that's why I'll do this. Okay, nums1, then array2 is equals to nums2. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to push the elements in the unordered map of the second array and their frequencies. So what we'll do, we just use for loop for this, and, and for each, I just apply the for each loop, which is easy to apply. What it done? Okay, so I'm just do the increase the frequency of the element, the frequency high. Hope you will understand, this is the easiest concept as I know. Okay. So this function is what it did is, It just push the elements and their frequency of the array 2 to the unordered map which I declared globally named frequency. Okay, now let's go to the next. As I told you, void add index val, and like this 3 2 means third index integer must be added by 2 and then change it at that position. Okay, so how we do that? We just first what we have to do, we have to minus the frequency present in that unordered map, because after doing this that element value will be changed. That's why we have to decrease the frequency or we have to add the element. Okay, so just frequency of array 2 index. Oh, it will clear what I done here. If not, just leave a comment, I'll explain it to you. Array 2 index is basically plus is equals to var. So var. Now what we are going to do, we have to increase the frequency of the element. And array 2 index plus plus. So after doing this operation, this operation, the element will be changed so that the frequency must be changed. That's why we did this. Okay, so the work of this function complete here. Let's go to the another function. So we have to return an answer basically on operations. So just declare it int answer is equals to 0. We just declared an answer 0. If we don't find any sum, then we have to return 0. Okay, after that I'll just apply the for each loop. In array 1, if the frequency dot count ERT minus I. Okay, hope you will understand what I've done here. Then the value of answer must be is equals to frequency of dot minus I. After that, we'll just return our answer. Return answer. Hopefully, you will understand what will happen here. So, I declared an answer. First, we will traverse the array 1. If we found any pair, then the count the answer will be plus plus as per the frequency. How much time it will occur in that unordered map. Like frequency increase, we have to sum the frequency in the answer. Okay, so let's run this. Hopefully it will work successfully. Maybe there's an array nums2. Okay. Oh, okay, I just ran nums. We have to put just nums. Let's run it again. Yeah, it will be accepted. Let's just format the code. Let's submit it. Hopefully it will be accepted and beats 100%. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, not 100%, but I beat. Uh, I done this in within a 1 second, so the accepted solution. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to know any other question or want to understand any other question, just let me know in the comment section. And also please like and subscribe to my channel. And if and Thank you so much guys for watching this. If you have any doubt, just leave a comment also. I'll definitely reply back to you.